Hello everyone! Today we are excited to share a special video with you, showcasing the production process at our factory. This isn't just tailored for a specific client. It's also meant for all our friends and followers who are curious about the journey of our A4 paper manufacturing. The video is customer-made, featuring us holding paper notes with the name of our clients as we guide you through our production line. Through this window, you can not only remotely tour our processes, but also experience firsthand our dedication to quality. Feel free to like, comment, and share with your friends. Spreading the word about your story. We look forward to your support and feedback.